Why does the mere thought of saving money often send chills down our spines? Perhaps it's the misconception that saving requires monumental effort. However, the reality is quite the opposite. With a straightforward plan in place, saving becomes an effortless part of daily life. Here are 8 simple ways to kickstart your savings journey. First, record your expenses. The foundation of saving is understanding where your money goes each month. Write down every expense, no matter how small. This includes everything from that morning coffee to monthly rent payments. By seeing the complete picture, you can manage your finances more effectively. Second, include saving in your budget. Once you know where your money is going, allocate a portion of your income to your savings. Treat this just like any other expense. That way, it becomes a non-negotiable part of your monthly budget. Third, find ways to cut spending. Look at your recorded expenses and identify areas where you can save. Maybe you can skip the daily gourmet coffee or opt for a less expensive gym membership. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Fourth, set savings goals. What are you saving for? A new car, a vacation, or perhaps your retirement? Define what you're working towards. Setting clear goals gives you motivation and a target to reach. Fifth, determine your financial priorities. Not all savings goals are created equal. Prioritize your goals so you know which ones to focus on first. This might mean setting aside money for an emergency fund before saving for a vacation. Sixth, pick the right tools. Different savings goals require different approaches. For short-term goals, consider using a high-yield savings account. For long-term goals, look into options like stocks or mutual funds, depending on your risk tolerance and time frame. Seventh, make saving automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This can be done right after you receive your paycheck, ensuring that you save before you have the chance to spend. Eighth, watch your savings grow. Regularly check your savings progress. This not only helps you stay on track, but also provides motivation as you see your funds accumulate. Adjust your strategies as needed to keep improving your savings rate. In conclusion, these 8 strategies simplify the saving process, making it accessible and manageable. Start by recording your expenses to understand where your money goes, then budget for savings as a regular expense. Cut back on non-essential spending, set clear savings goals, and prioritize them. Choose the right financial tools for your needs, automate your savings, and watch your money grow. By following these steps, you create a strong foundation for financial security and achieve your monetary goals with ease. Happy saving!